This video is going to go over overlapping territories. So right now I'm just centered around Phoenix, and I'm going to enable my zip code layer in the map and data box. I'm going to then use my search tools at the top to just quickly grab some territories. I'm going to use a freeform tool, which is just drawing my own shape, and so anything that the line touches or is inside of, then it's going to be grabbed. And so we're going to choose zip codes as our territory layer and click next. And I'm just going to call it Phoenix 1. I'm going to close that. I'm going to delete my shape, and I'm going to do it again. This time at first I'm not going to overlap. I'm going to try not to. Choose my zip code layer again. Give it a name. Delete the shape. And now let's say that we have someone who actually travels, they sell product in Phoenix 1 and Phoenix 2, and they have their own territory, but it's somewhere in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click this freeform again. And let's say that the third person goes in here. Query those zip codes again. And so now we have our third territory on the map. I'm going to delete that. So initially you can tell, you can see that it looks a little bit funny because it's taking the purple color over the teal and then the purple over the pink, and so we get Phoenix 3 looks a little funky. If you ever wanted to, you could go into territories, click on this little settings gear to open up manage map and data, and you can click on intersections. If you didn't want an overlapping territory, you could identify zip codes that are part of two territories by clicking this box here that has any zip codes that are overlapping appear as another color on the map. I always choose something like a black or a pink or something that really stands out on the map. So that'll help you identify. In this case, if we intentionally want them to intersect, we can just shut that down. So now we have three territories kind of on top of each other. And let's say I only want to see a view of Phoenix 3. I'm going to click on my data window. And from this pull down list, I'm going to choose territories. If I only want to isolate one, I can go here. Click enter, or I can click the little filter button, and I can see that my data window has it isolated. It's not reflected on the map until I click this filter map view by selection, or by content rather. And now I am only looking at Phoenix 3 on the map. If I want to get rid of it, I can uncheck that box, and now they're all back. So that's a way that you can kind of toggle if you only wanted to see one person's territory. If you wanted to, let's say you wanted to show two territories, you could click on the filter. And then you can choose from a pull down list, you can choose general. Oh, excuse me. We can choose, yep. We can choose general, name, and then from the pull down list, we could do equals, not equal to. In this case, we can do one of and put two people's territories in there. I'm going to separate it with a semicolon. Click filter. Now I have two territories here. I can click filter map view, and now I can see Phoenix 1 and Phoenix 2 on the map. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.